Okay, and we are back. Yes, I did tell you in the last video, well, social media boss lady here, so I'm sure you already know me by now, and if you've been an avid follower of my videos. And so I did tell you, yes, in the last video that today we'll be talking more about essential social media marketing practices that as small businesses you need to be engaging in. Yes. And so this is the first of the videos coming up in this series, and do enjoy. Okay, so social media marketing, basically what is it? It's a simple strategic process that makes your business, your products, your services attractive to buyers. That's it. And the mistake many businesses make when they jump on social media is that they jump on social media without a plan or a thorough understanding of how it will generate sales revenue. Because when you make social media marketing just another checkbox that you tick, you would miss the importance of the entire process, because it has to be built into the fabric of your business structure, because it is similarly, well, let me use the word similarly, influencing the habits and behaviors of the communities that your business serves. Okay, so social media marketing basically is a simple three-step process that starts with useful and valuable content that attracts the attention of buyers, and then it's followed up by using social media, different social media platforms, to engage with these prospective buyers and further build a relationship with them and their trust. And the end result is that it leads into new business by you selling them on your product or service. So basically all I said in a nutshell is that the three simple step process of social media marketing is content attraction, social engagement, and then sales conversion. And that's it. But don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for the next video. I promise you it's exciting. Okay, take care. Now, in order for you to make your brand or your business attractive, you need to do more than what I would call slick advertising. Yes, and how do you do that? Buzzword, content marketing. Yes, and however you position it, you need to design your content in a way that it creates value to your readers. Okay, because the fact is that value is very essential in our economy today. And the content marketing challenge that you would have as a business is that, one, all you need to do as a business is that you need to simply learn what your ideal customers value the most. And then with this understanding, you are able to develop content that would attract them to your business. And this would help them to accomplish more of what they want to do. So simple, simple, simple. That is it. But don't go anywhere still. I have just 2 more exciting practices for you to do, and that will be. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, and we're back. Yes, now consumers actually do have a voice, and that voice plays a big role in determining the value of your brand. Now, the truth is, basically, for all practical purposes, marketing actually starts with attraction. Yes. And then the next logical step is engagement, which social media actually does exceptionally well. Now, unfortunately, many small businesses do not understand this. Now, consider your own business. Consider your business right now. Do you expect to go from attracting a buyer's attention straight to selling to them? Because usually that's how traditionally we used to do it. But the fact is that there has to be a stage, it's a process whereby you engage with this potential buyer till he or she knows you, likes you, and trusts you enough to be able to invest in whatever it is that you are offering them. So use your social media to build engagement. Remain open to new relationships. Build new relationships with prospective prospects or clients. Make it a point to learn about your community, about the people that you serve, and how you can help them. Because like I said before in my earlier video, social media marketing is a process that's designed to make your business, your products and services attractive to the buyers. And how you do it is by engaging with the community. Try to be relevant in your economy, and especially an economy that's influenced by the voice of its consumers. So basically, learn about your community, engage with them, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Hi, so this is the last one, I promise, for today's training on essential social media practices for your business. Okay, the fact that as a small business owner, you know your sales process. Basically, it's often the one that you develop to successfully grow your business. So it should be well written in a step-by-step fashion, so that people that you work with, people on your team, in your administration, your personnel, would be able to know how it works. It's also necessary that they understand the importance of bringing home the business that your content marketing and your social engagements have worked on, to be able to bring the prospect into the fold. Yes. Now, so having a well-designed sales process not only gives you it doesn't only give you confidence, but it also does the same for your customers, because it lets them know without any uncertainty that you can actually take them. You have a plan to take them to where exactly it is that they want to go. And the best way to refine your sales process is to actually review what your successes have been, what have been your greatest achievements, and then break down these different successes that you've had, and break them down into successive steps that you can follow, and to make them happen every time again. And you'll discover certain patterns that you took in achieving this success, and then you would be able to know what's working, what's not working, what you need to eliminate, and what you need to scale up. Now, so basically, in rounding up, the cycle of attraction, engagement, and conversion, that is content attraction, social engagement, and sales conversion, basically are the three elements you need majorly in social media marketing. And it's such a simple formula for your social media marketing success, because it provides you a structure that you can work with. It starts with you thinking logically, and then progressively building into a relationship, and that relationship with your prospects or with your community eventually leads to a sale. So, with that in mind, I've come to the end of today. Social Media Boss Lady signing out, and I will see you on the next video on social media marketing practices for your small businesses. Take care, guys. Bye.